India won which medal in Sultan of Johor Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, silver medal. Who won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2025? Right answer is option B, Susumu Kitagawa, Richard Robson, and Omar Yaghi. Who was honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025? Right answer is option D, Mohan Lal. Rajkhas village has been declared as the first solar model village of which state? Right answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Who has been recently reappointed as the chairman of Railway Board? Right answer is option C, Satish Kumar. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Right answer is option A, Aralam, Kerala. Where was India's largest lithium ion battery manufacturing plant launched? Right answer is option D, Haryana. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Right answer is option C, TCA Kalyani. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Right answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Which is the 44th Indian site to be inscribed in UNESCO World Heritage List? Right answer is option A, Maratha Military Landscapes. Who was honored with the CK Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Right answer is option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Which city topped the list of million plus population cities in the Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2025? Right answer is option B, Indore. Which has become the first Indian city to install portable solar panels between railway tracks? Right answer is option C, Varanasi. Where was the World Tea Conference 2025 organized for the first time in India? Right answer is option B, Kochi, Kerala. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? Right answer is option A, Parag Jain. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman in 2025? Right answer is option C, Bhadresh Das Swami. International Day for Biological Diversity 2025 was celebrated on which day? Right answer is option D, 22nd May. Who has been elected as the President of the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Right answer is option A, Annalena Baerbock. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Right answer is option B, Opal Suchata Chuangsari. Who is the author of the book The Chola Tigers, Avengers of Somnath? Right answer is option B, Amish Tripathi. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of IRDAI? Right answer is option C, Ajay Seth. What is the name of mascot for the 2025 World Para Athletics Championships? Right answer is option B, Viraj, who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force. Right answer is option C, Sonali Misra. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Marinjela Hungria. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option D, Brazil. Where was World Audiovisual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 being held recently? Right answer is option C, Mumbai. What is India's rank in the Sustainable Development Goals Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 99th rank. What is the rank of India in the recently released Global Gender Gap Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 131st rank. Which team won the 17th edition of Men's Asia Cricket Cup in 2025? Right answer is option A, India, who will be awarded the 59th Gyanpith Award for its outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature. Right answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Right answer is option B, Sri Lanka, who has been recently awarded the Pen Painter Prize 2025. Right answer is option B, Leela Abo Leela. Which city topped the Smart City Index 2025 released by International Institute for Management Development? Right answer is option A, Zurich, Switzerland. Which state has the highest number of solar power installations under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana? Right answer is option A, Gujarat, who was appointed as the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court in September 2025. Right answer is option C, Justice Sri Chandrasekhar. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. India is set to launch the world's most powerful hydrogen powered train on which route? Right answer is option B, Jind to Sonipat, who topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025. Right answer is option A, Haryana. Who is the author of the book Operation Sindoor, the untold story of India's deep strikes inside Pakistan? Right answer is option B, Lieutenant General KGS Dhillon, who has become the first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award. Right answer is option C, Sudarshan Patnaik. The joint military exercise Equivalent is held between India and which country? Right answer is option A, Maldives. Where has ISRO launched the Hope mission for Gaganyaan? Right answer is option D, Ladakh. Ahmednagar railway station has been renamed as Ahilya Nagar is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra, who has been appointed as the chairman of National Stock Exchange. Right answer is option B, Srinivas Injeti. In which state will India's first AI-based data park be built? Right answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. What was the theme for International Yoga Day 2025? Right answer is option A, Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Right answer is option D, Canada. India has been elected as a member of which UN body for 2026 to 28 term? Right answer is option D, both B and C, United Nations Human Rights Council and United Nations Economic and Social Council. Where is the 15th conference of the parties COP15 to the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands held in July 2025? Right answer is option D, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Right answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. The Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, which has been included in the UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves, is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. In May 2025, India has overtaken which country to become the fourth largest economy in the world? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.